Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of insects as we explore the differences between moths and butterflies. These delicate creatures might look similar at first glance, but there are some key features that can help you distinguish between the two. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about their physical characteristics. One of the most noticeable differences is their antennae. Moths typically have feathery or comb-like antennae. Butterflies have straight and slender antennae with a clubbed end. Now, take a look at their wings. Butterflies usually have more colorful and vibrant wings with intricate patterns. Moths, on the other hand, often have more muted colors and may have camouflage patterns that help them blend into their surroundings. Next, let's consider their behavior and habitat. Moths are typically nocturnal creatures, meaning they are most active during the night. You might have noticed them fluttering around your porch light. Butterflies, on the other hand, are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day and prefer sunlight. When at rest, moths usually hold their wings flat or folded over their bodies. Butterflies, however, rest with their wings held upright, often vertically. Now, let's talk about their pupation process. Both moths and butterflies undergo a transformation from caterpillar to adult, but the structures they create for pupation differ. Moths spin silk cocoons around themselves, providing extra protection. Butterflies form a chrysalis, which is more streamlined and often hangs freely. Lastly, let's discuss their flight and feeding habits. Moths tend to have a more erratic and zigzag flight pattern. Butterflies, on the other hand, generally have a smoother and more graceful flight. Both moths and butterflies feed on nectar, but their feeding styles can vary. Moths may have specialized proboscises that allow them to feed on a wider range of flowers. Butterflies often have longer proboscises designed for reaching deep into flowers. So there you have it. Moths and butterflies might share some similarities, but these distinctive characteristics make telling them apart a breeze. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting videos.